Welcome to Lexus of Edmonton, located off 111th Ave and 170th Street. Today we're looking at a 2020 Lexus UX 250 Hybrid Premium Package in the color Nori Green Pearl. Under the hood, you have a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine producing 181 horsepower. You have 18-inch alloy wheels and keyless entry into the vehicle. On your door panel, you have your powered windows, locks, and side mirrors. You have birch Nulux leather seats throughout, with an 8-way powered driver's seat. Your leather steering wheel has your cruise control and lane assist settings and your Bluetooth and audio controls. You also have your multi-infotainment display controls, and to the left you can see ready when the vehicle is on and ready to be driven. Up top you have your traction control and your mode selector. Your screen display in the middle is controlled by your Lexus trackpad. You have your dual climate controls, your heated and ventilated front seats and heated steering. You have your cup holders, your audio controls, storage space in your center console, and above your controls for your sunroof. Heading into the rear seats, you have your cup holders and armrests in the middle, and latches above the seat to release them. In the rear trunk, you have plenty of space, with your spare tire below. You have your tonneau cover to hide your belongings, and a manual closing trunk. So come down to Lexus of Edmonton today, where we will find a vehicle best suited for you.